Omi reveals what Koko Mazene taught her, and she's still practicing it. She will forever remember her. So anyway, guys, let's get to start today. You know the rest of the houses. Welcome to Julie Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Wednesday. Please take care of yourself. I love you guys. So we know that Koko Mazene was introduced to us by Owami Entertainment. That was 2 years ago. So guys, on Thursday, Koko Mazene passed away last Thursday afternoon following a short illness. According to the statement released by her family, her presence touched the lives of many, while others are saying, Ogote, no, she was a horrible person, she was evil. People are saying a lot of stuff. Some are saying, Ogote, they need their money. There's a lot of things that are going on social media, guys. So Owami posted this on her Instagram account saying, Ogote, till today, I don't give people cash. I learned so much. So guys, we know that we have this type of family member friends. They will come to you and say, I need money, I'm going for an interview, I need food, and you say, oh, I will transfer them, and they were like, no. Some of them, they will even get angry. No, there's no need for you to transfer, you can just go there and withdraw and give me to me hard cash. And they are taking that money and give it to Sangoma. Those Sangomas, they will destroy your life, guys. There are people that their life today are ups and down, they don't know what happened, and they gave people hard cash. So you need to be very careful when you're giving people hard cash. Don't trust anyone. The world is dirty, guys. I still remember Koko Maweni. If you go to Koko Maweni TikTok account, she also did share the same video, guys, saying what the people need to stop giving people hard cash. So when a person say, I need money, there's no need for you to go there to the ATM and withdraw and give them a cash, because trust me and believe, one day you'll regret. People are there to destroy your life. Some people, they don't like you. They don't like you seeing you progressing in life. Some people even don't like you smiling. They want to see you sad, ugoa every day. They are not happy for you. So anyway, guys, do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Wednesday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.